Hi. We will learn how to make your texts uppercase or lowercase and so on with Microsoft Word easily. Here you can see some words. I need them as lowercase letters. But doing one by one would take more time. So, select all. Come here, it's change case. And now choose the case you really need. All my words are lowercase now. Then again uppercase. Sentence case. And finally, title case or capitalize each word. Like the way the text was earlier. And at the last, the toggle case. It's a bit strange. So, this is the way you can easily change your text case to save your time and energy. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.